What's good, YouTube? So today we got another box in the mail, another package. Actually, it was dropped off in my patio and it's been sitting there all day, and I was waiting for this time to unbox it so I can get peace and quiet and just me and you. So let's open this box up. Hold up. Here we go. Reach for the sky. Here go my invoice. So got this here from Hibbett City Gear. I paid $90 for them. With tax, it came out to like 97 and some change. Let's open them up. I mean, we already know what they look like, but look at this. They got all kind of Nintendo characters on the wrapping paper. Oh, okay, so it's double wrapped. Oh, and they individually wrapped too. I'm gonna show you guys the box first. This here the box, Nintendo Entertainment System, or what we used to call it. It's just Nintendo. We didn't even say NES back in the days. And in the front you got the Puma logo, Super Mario logo. But I want to say this here is from Super Nintendo. So if so, I could be wrong. But if so, that don't go together. But anyway, I don't care. So the back say the same thing the front say. Here go the underside. You got your size chart like any other Puma box. And then you got all these logos right here. So I'm gonna show you all these logos. Puma logos and all that. And here go the size tag. This ain't my size, 9.5. I'm a size 10. I'm not even gonna try to squeeze in these, so I'm not gonna do it on feet. That's the box. Ain't nothing inside. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the shoes. See which one this is. This here is the left shoe. Alright, so the only differences these are gonna have is the power button that's on the left shoe, along with this tag here. And on the right shoe, you got the reset button. And then again, the insoles, Bowser on the right shoe, Mario on the left shoe. And I'll pull these out so you can see them. So here we go. You got the Mario and Bowser with all little flying hammers and some flames and I don't know. So let's take a look at the left shoe. This here the one with the controller tag. Got the power button. And let's take a look at the tongue. You got the old cartridge cover from the NES version of the Super Mario game. And all the colors that represent the Nintendo, which is the red, the gray or light gray, darker gray. You got the Puma cat in the back and the Puma right here on the side, on the top by the bridge. And that's it. These shoes are very, very plain, but they're very, very hot. Alright, so apart from all that, let's take a look at the materials. So right here you got this soft, very soft outsole in the bottom. You got that red line. That red line is part of the outsole. It's just painted on there. Got the plastic tab where it says reset/power. You got suede all in the back through the heel. You got leather right here in the back with the Puma cat. Leather with the vector. Leather. You got nylon right here. White laces. Again, some more leather right here. Go around where you got the eyes of the laces. Suede again, just like the back. Suede where it say Puma. And that's much about it. I think that's everything. You got nylon tongues too. Alright, something that I would want to show y'all, but my camera won't pick it up because it's so tiny. It's the end of the laces. They say start and select on them. So if you grab you a pair, just take a look at that. I think that's pretty cool. That's that. And bottom is very, very plain. It's probably one of the most plainest shoes I've ever seen. It just got a bunch of these little dots with the Puma. That's it. There's nothing more. Again, that's a pretty cool shoe, I guess, a collector's shoe. And that's that. Peace out.